Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Atlas Survival Shelters. I'm sitting here in my office, got 2 pails of Wise food, and you know, they got that bad rap story on them about a month ago, and of course I read the story as well, and then I did a follow-up to say, you know, there's 2 sides to every story. But you know, I never was a big fan of their food to begin with because I had the bad experiences, the food that went bad and turned black, and then it seems like every time I ate it, it made my stomach get a pain in the side every single time, and I don't know why that is. But anyway, I got down and I finally got real, and I was like, you know what? I wish I would have just bought me all my permanent long-term food first instead of going with Wise, but I got a discount on it, and I didn't want to pass up a good deal on it. And but anyway, so I've done something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I'm excited. So what I did is I broke down and I bought me a year's supply of canned food, a mixture of Augustin Farms, Emergency Essentials, and Mountain House, and I got it all from Emergency Essentials, and I appreciate them giving me kind of a discount on it. And the good thing is, guys, all you can get it. All you got to do is mention the discount code ATLAS, and they'll give you 5% off the order. I know it's not a lot, but that's on top of any specials they already have. So just remember, anytime you mention my name to anything I've covered, you'll at least get a 5% discount. It's better than nothing. It will pay your taxes and your freight probably, unless it is free freight, but I don't really know. But guys, I got my food in. I got a pallet of food out there. We're gonna go out and open it, and we're gonna see what all I got, because I'm excited. Now I know what I got, it's just all mixed in there, but let's go tear into it and I'll show you what I got. And I'll show you what a year's worth of food looks like. It's actually an entire pallet, so it takes up some room. So let's go check it out. Guys, I got my new food in to replace my Wise food. So what I did is I put in a big order to Emergency Essentials, and I got me a mixture of some Augustin Farms and some Mountain House. So you guys are here to do it with me. So I got my pallet in. I'm so excited, you know? I mean, God, I wish I'd done this from the beginning, but you know, it costs money to buy this food. So anyway, here we go. I'm gonna open it up and see my food. You know, the good thing about Mountain House that I like is that you can eat it every day. I mean, it's just like regular food from a grocery store as far as I'm concerned, because it tastes good. But this is about $4,500 worth of food right here, okay? And I got me a year's worth of food mixed with all kinds of things. I got me some canned food. I got me some Mylar packs as well. So let me open this one down here. Ugh. You know, I feel bad now because, wow, this thing's heavy here. Okay, so this is my 30-day one person. This has spaghetti, mushroom rice pilaf, cheese broccoli, creamy chicken, flavored rice. It's got all kinds of stuff. So let's see what else I got in here. And by the way, this is my Papa Bear knife. I love opening boxes with my Papa Bear knife because it's so damn sharp. It's like a damn razor. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so here, I got me some Mountain House, some beef stroganoff. This is freaking awesome right here, guys. Got me some Mylar packs, macaroni and cheese, spaghetti, chicken dumplings, biscuits and gravy, just all kinds of stuff. So let me see what else I got in here. But you know, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with all that Wise food yet. I mean, I know it's edible, and at times, you know, it makes me sick personally, but I actually learned how to properly add the boiling water to it. What the problem was, they put on the thing, you add 2 cups of water and it makes it like soup. If you add 1 cup, it's actually okay. And some of them were pretty good. Does it mean I'm going to go back and buy them? No. It just means that I'm not going to throw my food away. So what I got here, I got me a bunch of essentials. I got some, these are peach slices, more peach slices, more peach slices. I guess this whole box is peach slices here. See what else I got. You know, I know you guys are kind of living vicariously through me, and you see kind of like everything I do every day. And sometimes when I see you guys or talk to you, you feel like you know me already, and it's kind of cool. But I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing for myself, because every day of my life I'm prepping. That's my job. It's not really, I say it's my job. I guess it's my job is to prepare you guys for prepping. But man, I'm prepping myself, man. You're not the only one that thinks that shit's gonna hit the fan. So this is more Mountain House. Chili mac and beef, lasagna. I got a story about this Mountain House, and I'll tell you in a minute. So I did a show called All You Can Eat, and they brought me a can of Mountain House that was 32 years old, and I've talked about this before. But it was some rice or something, I forget. I still have the can because I'm not going to throw it away. But it's amazing. It was like 2 years or 7 years past its expiration, but I opened it, I ate it. I was like, man, this is great. Give me more, give me more. Just keep eating it and eating it. It was good. So you could bet your life on this Mountain House, okay? So I bought all this from Emergency Essentials, right here, Essentials. They have the largest selection. They're mostly cans, and I'm all about canned foods. I don't mind the Mylar packs for when I'm on the go. All I got to do is add hot water. But you know, for your long-term food storage, and if you're going to have to prepare meals, Emergency Essentials is the way you want to go. That's for sure. So I don't want to open up everything right now, but I'm kind of showing you what all I got here. So here I got a fortified non-fat dry milk. This whole thing's probably the milk. Yeah, non-fat dry milk. So this whole one's milk. So what I got here, like I was telling you, I've got kind of like a year's worth of food and supplies, from milks to freeze-dried fruits and vegetables and meals ready to eat. Not meals ready to eat. Meals, all you got to do is add the hot water. Meals, you just cook on the stove. But my personal favorite is just when you add hot water, you zip it up, let it sit for 12 minutes. But you know, a lot of these foods nowadays, it's just like all you do is open them up, and then you put them in a hot pan, you add water, and you just boil the water until all the water's gone, and then the food's ready to eat. So guys, it's just a great day for me. I just wanted to share with you that I got my food in to replace, you know, the pallet of Wise food that I got in like a month ago. But I know I'm safe now because nothing's gonna happen to my number 10, the food in my number 10 cans. So guys, can't wait to try it out, but I don't need to eat it. We're not in an emergency right now, but I'm gonna eat some for you. I'm gonna do videos. I'm gonna start testing all these different foods and tell you which ones I like best. All right, guys, so man, is that awesome. I got so much food now. So anyway, I brought some of it in here. Now, this is 30-year shelf life, okay? And you can trust these guys on the 30-year shelf life. So guys, you're gonna want 2 types of food, okay? If you're planning on bugging in, you're gonna go for the number 10 cans, okay? It's the best way to go. Remember, I ate, here, I'm gonna grab it one more time. I swear, I'll hold on to this can forever. This is my 32-year-old can of Mountain House. This is the chicken and rice right here. I ate this when it was 32 years old, and I'm telling you, it was excellent, okay? So you can trust these canned foods from Emergency Essentials, Mountain House, Augustin Farms. They're all good, they're great. If you're on the go, you want these. These Mylar packs from Mountain House are excellent, and they only weigh 5 ounces. This thing is like light as a feather. It weighs nothing, so you can carry a lot of these. And these are excellent. All you do is add the hot water, you zip it back up, and let it sit for 8 to 9 minutes, and you got a great meal. Okay, the one thing I tell you about is don't put too much water in these things, okay? Because in it with kind of like a soup, like I did on those Wise Food ones. They told me it says put in 2 cups of water. And all you really need is 1 cup of water from what I found. But Mountain House has it right. Okay, they say add 1.5 cups, 12 ounces of boiling water. Make sure it's boiling so it evaporates. Stir carefully, close zipper. Let stand 8 to 9 minutes, stir and serve. And that's all you have to do. So guys, Mountain House is the kind of food that it's just like buying something at the grocery store. It tastes that good. And I've been eating this stuff for years and years and years, and so have my friends. They turned me on to it. So guys, I want to help you out here. So if you need to replace your food, or if you want to go ahead and get into the number 10 cans like you should all be, okay, you can trust your life on number 10 cans. Go to that beprepared.com and use that discount code ATLAS. They'll give you 5% off. You know, it's not a lot. It's all they gave me. But anyway, I'm trying to negotiate deals for all you guys. So guys, as always, I love having you come back to my channel. Get your food. Get it right. Beprepared.com. Use that discount code. Makes me feel good that I'm helping you guys. And as always, I love you. See you in the next video.